if you ask me what to say, I'll say no more and I'll swear.
Okay, no more and now swear when you're finally.
Yes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this channel. How are you guys doing? We're having an amazing season so far. Compliments of the season, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to my amazing subscribers and viewers out there. So today I have a guest on my channel. This is Paola. Some people know her. She stays with Kaswa, so we met basically in Kaswa. She's a Ghanian girl. You speak Twi, where are you from?
Takrade.
She's from Takrade. So there's a name they call the Takrade people, right? Fancies. Yeah. So she's from the Fancy. She's from the Fancies. You know what I mean? So in today's video, I called Paola here because I wanted to learn basic Twi language. If I'm not mistaken, I remember someone commented on my video, one of my videos, and was like, you need to learn Twi. And I was like, how did this person know? Because I'd already spoken to you about it before the person commented that you need to learn Twi. So I had that in mind before. I think this is the best time to learn basic Twi, and we are coming to Ghana to come and maybe spend some time or have an holiday here. You probably will need to learn this basic Twi yourself. So it's an advantage for me and you to learn. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos for me. So I've written some things here that I will be asking her questions, and she's going to be answering the questions in Twi, right? And I'm going to read this after her. So number one question is, what is your name?
Within the same.
Within the same. Within the same. Within the same. Comment on the comment section. Okay, so where are you from?
Ufri Hefa.
This is true.
Yes.
Ufri Hefa.
Yes, Ufri Hefa.
Ufri Hefa. Ufri Hefa.
He.
Ufri Hefa. Ufri Hefa. Okay, how much is this?
Where you saying?
I know that one. Where you saying? I know that one very well. That is a very common language that I hear. Where you saying? Where are you going to?
Oh, Kwefa.
Kwefa.
Where are you going to?
Yes.
Oh, Kwefa.
Oh, Kwefa. Oh, Kwefa. Where are you going to? Say, please enter the bus.
Paper, chop. Mathematical. Can't we see this?
Yeah. Jojo.
Jojo is English.
Jojo is English. Jojo is true. Yeah, I think so.
Mathematical.
Betina Chochoni means enter the bus. Betina Chochoni. Okay. Remove your shoes.
Yumpabwa.
I think the best thing I'll do is I'll go over the videos again and again to learn the words that we've spoken here. Left alone for mini tree. What I want to say is I don't understand tree.
Yeah, menti tree.
Menti tree. It's not mini. Menti tree. Menti tree. So welcome to Ghana.
Akwaba.
Akwaba is welcome.
Yes.
So what do I say? Okay, Akwaba Ghana. Akwaba Ghana. Okay. This is a home of peace.
I say Yasumbifi.
Say it again.
I say Yasumbifi.
I say yan. I say.
Yasumbifi.
Yasumbifi. I say. Yasumbifi.
Asumbifi.
Asumbifi. I say. Yasumbifi. Goodbye Ghana.
Bye-bye Ghana.
Bye-bye Ghana. Okay. I guess some words can just regulate it. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Go and bring the cup.
Kofa cup.
Kofa cup.
That's how I know tree. Kofa cup. But I don't know whether they have
a different way of saying
cup. I know some knows.
Yes, some know. I leave the comments. Write something in the comment section. If you know the meaning of cup, say the words again.
Kofa cup and a bra.
Kofa cup and a bra.
No, really.
Go and bring
Kofa cup.
Kofa cup in a bra.
Cup.
Even she said, wow, she holds like, hey, easy. See, I'm speaking to you small. Small is what?
Get it.
I'm speaking to you, get it. Please give me the spoon.
But you prefer a train bread.
Never sure. Kofa a brainy came. A train?
Bread.
Really? Please say it again.
Never sure.
Kofa a ten.
A train bread.
A ten bread. Never sure. Kofa a ten bread. Okay.
The pacho means
please. Yes. Then kofa. What is a kofa? One drink. And the spoon there is what? A ten gram. Okay. Kofa a ten gram. The road is bad. Remember, these are basic words that you say on the road or someone will say to you. So that's what I just put down. The road is bad is what? So Enye is bad. Then Ekwanusu is road. Ekwanusu road. Enye bad. Ekwanusu Enye. Okay. I am buying something.
This is not bad.
Metade. I'm buying something. Metade. What are you buying?
Otode.
Otode.
I'm going to say I'm buying something. The person will mind you.
Which please, I want to buy something.
Yes.
Okay. Then please wait for me.
Patrol train.
Okay. Excuse me. Oh, please excuse me.
The patrol man will find you.
Okay. I am hungry. Be fast.
Comedy.
Yenetem is be fast.
Yes.
Comedy means I am hungry.
Yes.
Comedy yenetem. Okay. Say, how are you doing?
What is saying?
Are you sure that's it?
How are you? What is saying?
What is saying?
Yes.
What is saying? Okay. What is saying? I'm fine. I wanted to ask what is I'm fine, so that's why I'm like, what is it?
I'll swear.
I'm fine. I know you met and you Mohonye.
No, say this that.
What is it?
I'll swear.
Okay, so have you eaten?
Where did you?
Okay. So how do I say yes, I've eaten?
Where did you?
Who did it? Is that what you just said?
Where did you?
Where did it?
Yes.
Where did it? Where did it? Did I say it right?
Where did you?
Where did it? Where did it?
Where did you?
How do I say thank you?
With us.
Where did it?
No. Where did he?
Where did it? What did I say to you? Where did it?
Where did he?
Where did it?
Yes.
This boy is a thief.
Boy, why you crawl for?
What's thief?
Crawl
So when you hear people shouting, crawl for, they say thief. So be cautious, okay? How did you say that?
Why me you crawl for?
Boy near crawl means thief. Then
There's some people there. Some people to say when you read.
when you
That one is like the girl tree, you know.
Okay. Boy near okay. Boy near confirm. We confirm is also the same thing. Okay. The next one, let's go and see a movie.
Yanko share movie. Yanko share TV.
Movie. Yeah, go share TV. The passion, yeah, TV.
I don't know the TV tree. If you know it.
Yeah,
the movie. Movie is
movie is yeah, movie. What is okay? Me is me.
Me movie.
You see, I'm learning small. Me teach me. Me teach me. That you know what I was about to say?
No.
I've not eaten.
Mendidi.
I was close. It's just the tea that was there. Mendidi. Okay. So how do we say come inside?
Brim.
Go outside.
P.
Kwaponti
and P.
Okay. Kwaponti. What does Kwaponti mean?
Go out.
Okay.
P means go out.
Go out. Okay. Anyone Kwaponti or P.
Yes.
Get out.
P is like get out.
You are a nice person. Or you are nice. Girl, nice man.
Abayo Mofe. That one is a girl.
Okay.
Abranzi Mofe, that's a boy.
Abranzi Mofe, boy. Abana Mofe, girl. Abayo
is like so like what Abaya Abemua. Like also like they will say girl, they will say teenager before lady before woman. Do you understand? No, we have children, then girl, then lady before.
Yes, we have girl, we have children, lady, woman.
We don't have girl.
Okay. Girl is
lady.
I would say it's lady.
So Abaya means from 14 to whatever. This is Abaya in G.
Abaya is 14, like a young lady.
Yeah.
Okay.
Abaya, Abranti. As you say, Abemua, Abaiwa, is the same thing.
Okay, so I just want to pick small words to spoon, atran, knife, sikai. Oh, but why is meaning sika? So why is sika and knife? It's sika. It's almost the same thing. Yeah, sika is knife. Sika is money. The correlation is there.
Sika. Sika. It's not the same.
Sika, money.
Sika,
knife. Okay. Sika, water. Usu. Many musu is there's no water.
No,
I'll drink water. Many musu. Me, anytime I need to remember me means me. So many musu. That's right, many musu. Okay, food.
Indiana.
Road. Kwan. Where did you? Correct. I'm getting it right. So
but the point is not where did you?
What?
Point is not where did you?
What where did you?
Read.
That's what
the coin is what?
Coin.
What's
coin? Road.
Yes,
road is coin. Food is sika is money. Okay, sika is money. Boss is also referred to as church. I think church is, I don't know if it's a true or something.
Yeah, that one I don't know.
Because I don't hear it in any other place. But I think these are the basic things. Go is come. Come is bra. Go, come, bra. Please, member, show. Me, you.
What to say?
What to say?
What to say?
Oh, what is what to say? Oh, I don't know. No, I will watch this video again and learn for myself. Yes. What is saying? Are you okay?
No.
How are you? Hey, this. What is swing? I knew that it was similar to are you okay? And
if you ask me what to say, I'll say no year now swing.
Okay, no year now swing when I'm fine and you.
Yes.
What's it saying? How are you? No year now swing. I am going to the market.
Call just
What's market?
just
Drasu. Meko Drasu.
yes.
Meko Drasu meaning market. Alright, those are the basic words that you should go over and again and again and again to get the words and the meaning. And that will be it for this. Maybe we'll do a part 2 and then I'll write out more things that I would like to learn. But if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and if you are visiting Ghana for the first time and you came across this video, Aquara Ghana. Okay, enjoy your stay here. Thank you for watching. So, bye.